kids! Welcome to Learny Turny time! Today we're going to learn about shapes. Let's say them together. Are you ready? This is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Look, a ball is a circle. Can you say circle? Circle, circle, circle. Here is an orange, which is also a circle. Here's a square. All four sides are the same. Look, a window is a square. Say it with me. Square, square, square. Here is a biscuit, which is also a square. Good job. Now we have a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Look, a slice of pizza is shaped like a triangle. Say it loud. Triangle! Here is a slice of watermelon, which is also a triangle. Well done! This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Look, an envelope is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Say it with me. Rectangle. Here is a tab, which is also a rectangle. Great job! Here's an oval. It's like a stretched out circle. Look, an egg is shaped like an oval. Say it with me. Oval. Here is a kiwi, which is also shaped like an oval. Excellent! Wow, here is a star. It shines bright in the sky. Stars have 5 points. Look, a starfish is shaped like a star. Say it with me. Star. Good job. Aw, it's a heart. Hearts mean love. This balloon is shaped like a heart. Say it with me. Heart. Well done. This is a diamond. Here is a kite which is shaped like a diamond. Say it with me. Diamond. Great job. Let's review all the shapes we learned today. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart, diamond. Great job, superstars! You're a shape master! See you next time! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!